Hey guys, I don't know if you've already seen the video that I put on there earlier where it shows you how to fish the same offshore locations without a fish locator. You can find those same offshore locators that we find with our electronics on our boats and kayaks. But if you download that Lowrance app onto your phone, then you can take and use just your phone out there on the water, and you can find them same offshore locations. But if you haven't seen that video, go back and look at it. But once you get on your app and you get out in the lake and you want to mark a spot, these marker buoys are very handy. You can get these at most any store that sells fish bait and lures. They make different kinds. They make some that's just a little round cylinder type thing. Don't get that. It takes forever to wind your line up. If you get these right here just like this, once you get out the lake, you throw them out in the lake. As the weight goes to the bottom, this is flopping on the top of the water just like that, and then when the weight hits the bottom, it stops and it's just like that. So you'll know just exactly where that weight is. That way you can get back off away from the spot that you want to fish, and you cast all around it and you know just exactly where you're casting. You can also go out there and if you're going to mark a hump, you can get over to one side of the hump and you can throw out one of these markers and let it go down on one side of the hump. You go to the opposite side of the hump and you throw out another marker like this, and then you know where both sides of the hump is, and you just cast anywhere out in between the hump. Same way, you know, if you're fishing a ledge out away offshore, or if you're fishing a point offshore. There's a lot of points offshore that you don't even see them up on shore at all. It's just you get out in the lake and you'll see a point out into the lake. And you can use these if you mark in the river channel or anything that you find out there in the lake to fish. But these are very handy. You need to pick you up at least 2 of them, and you're going to find out you're going to have some great days out on the lake. These are also good that when you get on that Lowrance app, that you get out and you find ditches. And I'm going to show you on the app what a ditch looks like. But you get out and you mark a ditch with this also, just exactly the same way. You can put it on one end of the ditch and you go to the other end. You can also put them out on the sides of the ditch. So when you're in the middle of the ditch, you can cast all over in that ditch. Especially in the wintertime. In the wintertime, ditches is a great place to catch fish. Most of the ditches on Lake Lanier has got standing timber in them, and you'll be surprised the fish that you can catch without a fish locator if you use these and use the app. Give it a try, guys.